Vegetables, Doc, vegetables. You know, eat better, eat better. I'm eating great. I'm eating great.
Oh my God, this is good.
All right, YouTube, I'm hungry. Tonight, we're having giant stuffed potatoes. All right? You gotta have potatoes. You gotta have a whole lot of stuff. But first, with your potatoes, we gotta bake those potatoes, and we're gonna bake them in the smoker. So what I do is I just start stabbing them with a fork. All right? Just keep on stabbing them. You want the liquid that's inside that potato to get out of that potato as it bakes, right? You don't want that potato to go poof and kind of like burst at the seams, right? So stab it a few times, all right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna roll our potato in olive oil, all right? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know what I like? I like bread. I like to take some bread and some oregano, heat up that olive oil and dip it. That's fat people stuff for you right there, all right? Oh my goodness. All right, so I got it all up there in the olive oil, all right? Then I'm gonna roll it in salt, all right? It's gonna be salty skin. That's gonna be a good skin, all right? This is kosher salt too. Not that that matters, salt is salt. You're putting this much on. I don't need to wash my hands. All right, so we got those up. We're gonna wrap these, all right? We're gonna wrap these. Again, at my house, we don't eat the potato skin anyways, but we bake it with it on. We're gonna wrap these up. These in there for exactly 1 hour. 425, exactly 1 hour. And I'm gonna try to group them towards the center of the bullseye. All right? So, here we go. Right in the center. And what I'm trying to do too, I'm trying to guess what the flatter side of the potato is, because I'm going to center that on the bottom. All right. All right. Now I'm going to go wash my hands. Those potatoes, they almost done. So now we got to get some fixings together. All right. So we got to fix these potatoes up. So I got me some green onions, some other stuff here. We'll go. Actually, we'll talk about this. Right. I'm going to put chives. Cut off the stalks. Chop them up. Put the chives on my potatoes. I'm going to douse them with butter. I'm going to hit them with pork. That pork we're going to have to use the Blackstone for. This is leftover pork. It's leftover good pork too. Very good pork, right? We'll use some raised baby back rib sauce. That one there. It's honey barbecue sauce. Apple cider vinegar, all right? So we're going to fast forward through most of this, getting it ready for it, all right? All right. And you know what the best thing about cutting up vegetables outside is? Is when your bowl fills up or you think it's full, you don't gotta worry about the dog or nothing. You just take the thing, throw it on the damn floor, right? So, there we go. Here we go. We gotta get our sauce ready. All right. Little things, man, make it so much better. That is some good sauce right there. All right, our butter. So these are going to be really buttery potatoes, right? All right, there's our butter, guys. Oven safe, 6-inch Pyrex containers. All right. We won't need these. We won't get them ready now. Jessica, I see my towel. Gotta get my towel. All right. Each one, we're gonna take our trusty knife. We're gonna cut it more than once. All right. I got my fork out. We're just opening her up a little bit, all right? Look at that right there. That potato could be used to get a little hot, a little bit more hot. All right, we're just opening it up. We about to stuff it. All right. There we go. Open her up. Maybe mash just a little bit of the inside down. Ooh, look at that. That looked good. That looked darn good. All right. I'm sure someone will say, he wipes his hands on his pants. Dude, this is my backyard. You know, this is some good food too. All right, look. This here is some Monterey Jack cheese. All right. Packer. All right. Packer. Cheese. Packer. All right. We probably could have used like 12-inch Pyrexes. All right. Look, I'm just gonna put this here for now. We'll clean that mess up later. We need to put butter in here. All right, a lot of butter. Butter is one of the best substances of all times in this food. All right. Look at that. Boom. All right, guys. It's going right back in. Right back in there. Right back in there. Ooh. Look at that. Don't worry, we're not going to forget about it now. All right, Facebook, YouTube, my grill right now is at a very, very low temperature, all right? I'm going to let this butter melt. All right, YouTube. So, that butter's melted down real good. I'm going to add my leftover pork, all right? This pork here, we actually cooked last night. You want to see how I cook my pulled pork? Well, here's your chance. There's going to be a card or something somewhere on the screen. But for right now, we're going to fast forward through this. I'm going to turn up the heat. We'll get this pork nice and hot. I'm going to add it to our potatoes. All right, come on over here, guys. Come on. Oh my God, look at them potatoes. That cheese is all nicely melted. All right, we're gonna put some pork on there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Guys. Now that's how you make a potato. Look at that. Look at that, son. Look at that. If you make your potato and it don't have globs of pork or beef on it, you ain't making it right. No, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Doc, I got vegetables. Vegetables, Doc. Vegetables. You know, eat better. Eat better. I'm eating great. I'm eating great. All right, we're going to put some cheddar cheese on there. We're going to put some sour cream on there. We're going to get them upstairs. We're going to take some pictures. All right, guys, I got a griddle to clean. I got to eat. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.